Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-60T-UP-DAYS-W, and I call it a retrofit because we are replacing someone else's display that had failed on the customer, and they requested a 6-inch outdoor day timer, and that it would fit into an existing enclosure, probably an outdoor safety sign or safety to scoreboard. And basically it is, I call it retrofit because it's going to just fit into their existing enclosure, and also it comes with everything that you need to make it operate, control it, power it, and change your days as you need it once every 24 hours controller. Comes with a wireless receiver, which is 2.4 gigahertz, and a wireless transmitter, 2.4 gigahertz, good up to 150 feet away. You would actually mount this somewhere on the enclosure and then run your wire into the enclosure from the outside, preferably outside the enclosure, and then wire nut it to the cables that are connected to the circuit board. This specific unit runs off of 12 volts, so it is requiring that we have a 12 volt to 24 volt converter, and we mounted that on the back side. And then also it has battery backup, 9 volt rechargeable battery. So you apply 12 volts, you would mount it onto these mounting screws to your enclosure and control it from this wireless controller. So I'm going to go ahead and set it. So I'm going to push +1, and in doing so that starts the setting of the days, and it's going to continue to increase as the days are incremented, and then it goes into a fast set mode. So I'm going to stop that by pushing the +1 again, and I've gone past the number of days, so I want to push the -1, and that goes back to the days that I need. Let's say 859, and then it will start counting from that point forward once every 24 hours. I can reset it back to 0, and it does that. Again, this is a 6-inch display, so it's viewable up to 300 feet away. It's all weatherproof and sunlight proof, so that it can be put and mounted facing the north, or facing south, I should say. I'm sorry, and you'll be able to view it in the daylight. It's a very wide viewing angle. The LEDs protrude through the face of the enclosure, which is all aluminum, and has a very wide viewing angle. This is a DC-60T-UP-DAYS-W retrofit. Thank you.